Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Madtown Studios. I hope all you folks are well and healthy. And if you're watching this on the 31st, Happy Halloween! I know some of y'all have plans for the spooky holiday, including trick-or-treating, hay rides, and partying at a haunted house. Well, okay, some of these events might be closed due to the, But the pandemic can't stop us from having a good time. And one project you can do at home is pumpkin carving. It's been a long time since I carved a jack-o'-lantern, but I'm getting back into the game. Today, I'm going to show you my process in creating a jack-o'-lantern, but with a little twist. But before I begin, if you're new to the channel,
welcome.
If you want to be a member in the Madtown community, click the subscribe button. Also, make sure to comment and share. Now, grab your pumpkin and let's carve, baby. Before we start the process, you're going to need some tools. Of course, you'll need your pumpkin, as well as some pumpkin carving tools like this kit, which you can get from Michael's or any other store. You're going to need a lot of newspaper because it's going to get a little messy. A candle that can fit inside the pumpkin. And that's not all. As I said, we're going to be putting a little twist on this jack-o'-lantern, as this is going to be based on this drawing. Charming, huh? After carving, we're going to put this little dude inside. If you want to watch how I created the marquee, check out my second video, links down below. Now, let's get to work. The first thing I did was I took a Sharpie and drew out an outline for the eyes, nose, mouth, and around the top. I'm going for the classic design, so it matches my drawing, but you can design your pumpkin however you like. Now, you're going to grab your carving tool, and we will begin the operation. Begin cutting at the top of the pumpkin. Pretend like you're playing brain surgeon, only it's on a vegetable. Bad joke. Sorry. Now, you might want to cut around it a couple times because you're going to want to take the top off. Pumpkin guts. Yummy. Now, it's time for the messy part. You're going to take a pumpkin scooper and begin to scoop out the inners. By the way, what is this stuff called anyways? Like, pumpkin organs? Let me know in the comment section below. Now you're going to scoop it nice and good. You want it to look more clean and less gutsy. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I need to save these for later. After that, we're going to tackle the eyes, the nose, and mouth. Just like the top, you might want to cut the holes 2 times. You can do a classic pumpkin face, or you can do any other design or face, like a witch, or a cat, or your lover, or Jesus. anyone. Overall, your pumpkin should be finished. But we're not done quite yet. To finish this art piece, it's time to add your marquee. Hopefully you folks got the chance to check out my sculpting video. But you can also use any other alternative, including an action figure, a doll, puppet, garden gnomes, anything you want to stand out. Oh yeah, and remember that baggie of pumpkin guts? Well, I'm going to take some strands and gushy stuff and have it hang over my marquee person thing. So it looks just like the drawing. There's probably a better way in doing this, like painting on some guts or using some orange string or something. Something less nasty. But I guess I'll work with what I got. Last thing to do is to set a small candle. Make some room. We're gonna set it inside and then we're gonna light it up. It's alive! The Ghost Pumpkin Lantern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on pumpkin carving. If you already know how to carve a pumpkin, but still enjoy the video, then how about clicking that like button? Madtown will be putting out more content before the end of October. But if you'd like to stay updated, click the subscribe button down below. And let me know what you think about this video. Share with friends and family. And follow us on social media. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay spooky. Peace!